Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Chase bank account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the profile and preferences section. Click on it and then find the security settings option. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options typically include text messages, phone calls, or an authentication app. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm and activate. After selecting your method, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your choice. You may need to enter a code sent to your phone or app. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be activated for your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Chase bank account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure and updated.